This video will show you how to add color or how to add length or how to add thickness to your actual locks if you already have them. You're going to get some of these. I'm going to show you what type of hair this is. This is Superline Collection. They already have a loop. You just open up that loop. You make sure you put it over the hair. Grab it like this. You also can use a crochet hook. Pull it up. All the way up. And there you have it. You can have different colors, different lengths, whatever you want. Again, I'm going to show you one more time. Again, make sure you got the hair that you can be able to cover it up. Okay, go ahead and just grab one of your locks. This is a great way, like I said, to add color. Push it up. You don't got to add no rubber bands or anything, and cover it up. There you go. That will give you fullness as well as color. Thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.